how to open a crypto account on Wealthsimple. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to open a crypto account on Wealthsimple. So in order to open a crypto account on Wealthsimple, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to open a crypto account on Wealthsimple, you'll need to follow this step. The first thing is you need to sign up. If you don't have a Wealthsimple account, then you can visit the website or download the app from the App Store or your Play Store, and then install the app and create an account. So basically in my case, I'm using a web browser as I've already opened my account, or I've already created the account. After creating your account, you have to make sure to complete the verification process. This typically involves providing personal information and verifying your identity as well. And once your account is verified, then you can log in into your Wealthsimple account, then navigate to the crypto section of the app or website. So if you're unable to see it right on this page, then you can tap the tab bar icon from the top right and then go to profile. When you click on profile, it's going to take you this page where you can scroll down a bit and go to crypto section. After that, you can go ahead and select this trade crypto with ease, buy, sell, transfer and all that, and select that. And as you do that, then you'll be able to review the terms and conditions associated with the trading cryptocurrency on Wealthsimple. Make sure you understand the risk involved in crypto investment and all that. To start trading cryptocurrency, you'll need to fund your Wealthsimple account first of all, and you can do this by linking your bank account and transferring funds electronically. In the crypto section of the app or website, select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, and Wealthsimple offers a range of cryptocurrency including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and more. After that, enter the amount of money you want to invest in a chosen cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple typically allows you to invest with as little as $1. Then you can review your investment details, including the amount you're investing and any association fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm your cryptocurrency purchase and all that, and after that you can hold or sell and you can stay informed. So that's basically how you can set or open a crypto account on Wealthsimple. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.